Welcome to 108B Misty Oak Rd. This is a 2-bedroom, 2 full bath townhome unit on the upper floor of the building. It's nicely updated with luxury vinyl plank hardwood flooring and tile flooring inside. You have a parking pad, 2-car wide outside, and then your walkway leading back to the unit, which is located at the back of the building. So you go back here to access the stairs, and then up. And again, this unit is in Northeast Columbia, convenient to I-20, Fort Jackson. It's a quick commute to downtown Columbia, Sand Hill shopping as well. So we step inside, and you have tile flooring. As you enter, there's a coat closet directly across from the entrance in the foyer, and luxury vinyl plank hardwood flooring in the living room. So you have a nice sized living room here, sort of a living and dining room. There's a wood burning fireplace, a couple of windows. You have some built-in shelving over here, and this side would be your dining room area. The kitchen is right off of here. You have tile floors in here as well. In addition to your laundry closet, it's a full-size washer and dryer connections in there. And in the kitchen, you have an included electric stove, refrigerator, and dishwasher, as well as a countertop microwave over there. And then off of the small hall here, you have a linen closet, as well as one of your full bathrooms, which again the tile flooring continues into off of the hall. Nice mirror and shower and tub. One of your 2 bedrooms here. And this is the master. Actually, you have a walk-in closet, as well as the private full bathroom on the opposite side, which again has a tile flooring, single vanity, and shower and tub. And then you also have a 2nd bedroom on this side, which is a nice size. And you can see the closet there in the corner. So that pretty much wraps up our tour of this home. Again, 108B Misty Oak Rd in Northeast Columbia. You can find out more information online at turnerproperties.com.